Mint is a medicinal herb that has incredible flavor and amazing health benefits. Its leaves are commonly used in salads, teas and in cocktails, both for their refreshing taste and for their healing properties. It is also a potent source of antioxidants, antibacterial properties, especially when compared to other herbs and spices. Antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress, a type of damage to cells caused by free radicals. Mint leaves have a fragrant aroma and refreshing cool taste. Scent of mint leaves caused volatile oil content in the form of menthol oil. This plant is one of the most popular herbs and most developed in the world. It's available all year round, and can easily be grown at home. It has the potential to the digestive system, and relieves stomach cramps. Mint has a mild anesthetic effect, so as to relieve pain in the stomach. Mint can be used as a nausea reliever, and menstrual cramps. 2. Preventing cancer. Vitamin C and antioxidants in mint leaves is useful to counteract the free radicals cause all sorts of diseases, one of which is cancer. 3. Reduce stress. Mint gives the effect of extraction and tranquility for the audience. That is why mint used as aromatherapy in the medical world. The content of antioxidants can be used against stress from the outside to your body, so your body becomes more calm and relaxed. Mint leaves contain vitamin C that can positively impact your immune system. Therefore, do not hesitate to add a mint leaf on a menu of food that you consume. 5. Muscle ache. Mint leaves are also believed to be a drug used to treat pain in the body. For content in it are antispasmodic. This substance is very well works to loosen your muscles are tensed, so it is suitable to cope with muscle pain in the body. 6. Nasal congestion. Plant mint contains menthol, ingredients commonly used in commercial drug of flu. The smells of menthol can help open the respiratory tract, because it contains anti-inflammatory properties. 7. Maintain healthy skin. Mint leaves contain vitamins E and D are very good for maintaining healthy skin. In this case, used to help renew dead skin, or skin that is not good. Besides the benefits of salicylic acid, this is very useful in the process of replacement of skin cells that have been damaged. 8. Overcoming fever. One effect of mint is providing a sense of cold, refreshing to the body. Even those who have a fever or a temperature rise typically use mint to relieve the heat. 9. Lose weight. Mint leaves can help you lose weight, because it stimulates the digestion of fat. 10. Oral health. Mint leaves have antibacterial. Chew mint leaves to fight harmful bacteria in the mouth, teeth and tongue.